I'm gonna try to revive some of my hair's health. I'm gonna go in with one more round of anti-dandruff shampoo, and then I'm gonna go in with Olaplex. Now, for some of you who don't know, Olaplex is a salon grade quality product. It's a patented line of protein fillers, and it has a wide range of products. Olaplex numbers 1 and 2 are for salon only. They're bond builders. Olaplex number 1 is mixed with dye or bleach or both, while Olaplex number 2 is applied after, which I've never used. I did go to a salon once, and those are my cats, by the way. Anyway, like I said, Olaplex number 1, I've used it once at a salon. They used it while they bleached my hair a couple of times on the same day, and my hair was healthy. It was really good. I've never used Olaplex number 2, but I did get the at-home range, which is Olaplex number 3, which is a bond builder, and then Olaplex numbers 4 and 5, shampoo and conditioner, and then Olaplex number 6 is a bond smoother leave-in product. I'm gonna go wash my hair and then apply Olaplex number 3 to damp hair. I'm done shampooing my hair with anti-dandruff shampoo. As you can see, my hair is a little bit more faded, and now I can go in with Olaplex number 3. Applying Olaplex number 3, you're supposed to have this on for about 10 minutes, and you are allowed to actually leave it on for longer if you'd like. And I'm using a comb is first to show you my hair fall. Yeah, so it's a couple strands of hair. It's not bad. It's normal rather to have about 100 strands of hair fall off your head in a day. So a lot of people freak out about hair fall, and it's perfectly normal. And I brush or comb my hair so that the product will be distributed evenly. That was one of my cats. As you can see, there's still a lot of banding going on because I'm trying to fix my hair. I will bleach it sometime later this week. I'm giving it a week's rest before I mess with it again. But yeah, after 10 minutes, I'm gonna go in with the shampoo and the conditioner. So I am done with my shower. I rinsed off Olaplex number 3. I immediately felt my hair become smoother, and after that I shampooed off with Olaplex number 4. It has a fairly mild citrusy scent. It's very fruity, and I like how it smells. And then after lathering and rinsing that off, I went with Olaplex number 5, which is their bond conditioner. And in the bottle, it smells fine, but when I applied it to my hair, I was like, I'm not a huge fan of the scent. But it's not bad, it's just, I don't like how it smells. My hair is now damp, and I'm gonna go in with Olaplex number 6, which is their leave-in styling cream. Apparently, if you use this, other than helping it maintain your hair, it also helps speed up your blow dry time. You apply these, concentrating on your mids and ends. Ooh, it smells nice. Yeah, it does. And then you can style as usual, whether you're gonna blow dry or curl or straighten your hair. think I'm just gonna let it air dry and see what the texture is gonna be like. And then hopefully this repairs my hair in time for the next bleaching session. All right, so I left the Olaplex number 6 in my hair for like 3 days, and then I shampooed it out and used anti-dandruff again to try to fade my hair some more. And I did that yesterday, and I was also using Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, which is a deep conditioning mask, just to help keep my hair healthy in between the Olaplex treatments. But I did put my hair up in a bun and a ponytail a couple times, hence all this weird frizz that's going on. But other than that, Briogeo and Olaplex really work. There's less frizz. Like, I can tell the difference in the ends of my hair because these look so much better. It's more fried on most days, and now it's you can still see a little bit of damage, but not as horrible as it was a week and a half ago. So I'm letting it rest, and I actually bought a bleach kit that has what I can smell is coconut oil, probably mixed with something else. And I'm gonna use it as a barrier before I bleach my hair again, because I'm thinking of either doing a bleach bath for the lower parts because there's still some pink in my hair, and then a full bleach on my roots. Okay, so the bleach kit that I got is from Hybrid Colours, and it's called Bleach Don't Kill My Vibe. This is 120 grams of bleaching powder, which I have not opened yet, but it looks very fine. Like, you can see it through the plastic that the powder is very finely milled. And then 2 bottles of 120 ml each of their developer cream, which is at 9% or 30 volume. And it comes with the hair potion oil that I had mentioned earlier. I opened it and it smells like coconut oil, but mixed with something else, I think. So I'm excited. I've never really used oil to protect my hair before. I normally don't wash my hair for like a week or 2 weeks before I bleach my hair, but I've been going out a lot lately, even though it's quarantine, because we go to the cemetery once a week. So, and like every time I go for groceries or go out to pick up something from like a food order, I'm extremely paranoid, so I wash my hair like all the time. Like, I go for a shower all the time, and I used to be able to skip washing my hair, but now I wash it almost every day, and it is absolutely drying. Thank goodness for Olaplex and for Briogeo and a bunch of the other keratin and deep conditioning treatments that I've been using, because my poor hair is so dry. But it feels so smooth now. I really think Olaplex did so much good to my hair. Like it's so soft now, my God. But yeah, I'm excited. I might do a bleach bath first just to get rid of the excess pink in my hair, but we'll see. But I really need to retouch my roots because this is like 6 months of growth. I haven't bleached my hair since like February, so like there's that. Like, there's a banding of a different layer here. Like, this is level 6, this is around level 8, and then definitely this is level 10. Like, bizarre. And then my dark black, brown original hair. You can see I already have gray hairs as well, so we need to fix that.